magiging matarantahin. Leon Roadstill. Si Leon magiging matarantahin. Diyos ko. Eljon Bobis, thank you for following the live creator. What's up, man? Welcome. Yo, what's up, Daniel? Thanks for following us. Hello, welcome. Grabe. Paring Benjo, kamusta ka dyan? Guys, tinan nyo, ito talaga yung normal setup ng
Mr. Kennedy,
Resident
welcome.
Evil.
Dr. Gideon has been expecting you.
Si Victor.
Funny. I don't remember getting an invitation.
Well, he's waiting for you.
Parang PWD talaga.
Follow me, please.
Lead the way.
Ang angas ni Leon. Sobrang angas niya. Wala siyang kakaba-kaba.
So how long have you worked for Dr.
Lead the
Gideon?
way.
Not long.
So,
I
how
just
long have you been
recently
waiting
joined
for
the team.
Doc? Investigate the
We
care
for
center.
quite a
Okay.
few long-term patients here, all undergoing experimental therapies developed by Dr. Gideon.
In case of fire, do not use elevator. Alright.
Experimental therapies.
Yes. It's all very cutting edge. The facility keeps a low profile due to the sensitive nature of the research.
Oh, I bet it does.
Please, wait here.
Katakot ko. Kanina actually wala pa akong tulog. Hinihintay ko talaga. Hindi Rocky si Leon. Eto na. Daddy Leon, Daddy. May camera talaga doon. Ang galing. You're being watched, man. We are being watched. Pero, well, si Leon yan. Alam kong nararamdaman ni Leon yan. Grabe, yan pala si Dr. Victor. Victor Gideon! What if si Dr. Victor pala yung malaki, no? 11:26.
Code 6. All staff initiate emergency protocols.
What?
Mr. Kennedy, we need to leave immediately.
What's going on?
I don't know what's happening. Some kind of mass hysteria. The hospital is on lockdown. Doctor.
Ayun! Ayun! Bugog. Bugog. Ang galing ni Leon. Ang galing niya.
I think I want a second opinion.
Ayoko naman baril. Ang hirap talaga ng aim. Ay! Ay, shit!
Broke my damn hatchet.
Grabe naman yun.
Come on, come on!
Ayun siya! Ayun siya! Ay, ang galing. Sakto pala yun. Yung pala yun. Kaya pala few minutes before neto. Ay! Bilisan mo, Leon. Leon, dalian mo. Leon, dalian mo. Pag nagkaroon kayo ng offspring na great, maganda ang kalalabasan. Ay, mali!
Hey, over here.
Grabe, girl. What the? Shit. 100% accuracy. Grabe talaga siya. Damn it. That big monster is dead. Big monster is dead.
You okay?
Yeah. Thanks.
Leon Kennedy.
Si Grace ata pumalit kay Claire. Leon. Okay,
Yes,
good. Yes, so.
I'm Grace. Ashcroft.
Hello,
FBI.
Knight in Shining
FBI.
Armor.
What are you doing here?
Someone kidnapped me.
Victor Gideon.
I don't know.
Well, we should leave.
Yun yung bumit sa kanya. Victor, what the? So, pinapanood sila ni Victor. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness!
What does Victor want with you?
What? I
Grace.
Uy,
what do
papaldo
you
na
mean?
naman si
Grabbed
Grace
you
dyan,
for
ma'am.
a reason.
Sis! Rami, hello, Kit Kat. How are you?
Wait, you're DSO. That's the counter bioterrorism agency, right?
Take this.
You sure?
You might need it.
Ang angas, may baril na siya. Okay,
Let go.
kaso ang hirap itutok.
Get out of here.
Baka matakot si Leon. Si Leon pwedeng hindi matakot, pero ako. Ay! Uy! Yo, what's up, Dr. Victor?
She won't get away, you know.
Dr. Gideon.
So nice to finally meet you, Leon.
Basta ako, wait ko si Leon, anak niya pa ako. Sis! Hindi siya hindi ka mauuna sa kanya. Ako mo.
little talk.
Charot. Si Leon di takot, pero ibang usapan pag naglalaro. Totoo, ang tangkad niya, grabe.
Too slow.
Ang tangkad.
I see you're exhibiting symptoms too. Umbrella scars.
Tangkad niya.
I'll be fine. I hope.
Pwede ba makishare kay Leon? Pwede Madam Joy, pero ako muna. Enjoy ko muna siya. Ay, charot! Uy, Bet! Escape the care center. Diyos ko ka. Ba't ganun? Ang bilis ng ano? Ang bilis ng... Maganda yung sensitivity pag kay Grace. But anyway. Nakakakaba. Nasa Raccoon City na ba sila? Yes po. Nakakaano ka ba? Yan na, patay. Ito tao pa. Parang mas okay sensitivity kay Grace. Totoo, totoo. Eksakto. Eksakto, Brody. Tama. Every now and then, Check mo lang yung pin comments for reminders. Yung pinned comments for reminders. Okay po, thank you. Grabe oh. Sino to, si Storm ba to? Bulag siya, tas nagbabasa.
Who's there?
Ang aga mo. Hi sis. Yes po, thank you. Maganda yung sensitivity kay Grace, pero si Leon talaga inaba. That's true.
Oh, I'm sorry if I surprised you.
Malapit na si Stormy and girl. Gaganon niya, no?
You can't see, can you?
You can't see. Can you?
Who are you?
Buisit, nakita ng di makakita.
Was there someone in the other cell? Why are you in there?
Everyone's gone.
Are you alright? No, hold on.
Wala na, namatay na siya. Patay. Zombie na yan. Unahan mo na yan, unahan mo na yan. Unahan mo na to! Unahan mo na to! Hi Drake, hello. Oh, may flashlight, buti naman. Unahan na natin yan, feeling ko. Or si Volta.
I'm sorry.
Akala mo sa ML joke lang yon. Aalala mo, sinabi, alin po, Sharmela? Hi Drake. Ayun na, keycard. Yes, nakakuha na tayo ng keycard, sis. That's right. Guys, notes ko. Taulo. Ay, gago. Ayun, tabog ang muka. Lakas pala. Kunin mo yung baril. Ay, yung kutsilyo. Wala na, sira na. Yawa man. Ay. Shit. Wala ba makukuha doon? Ay! Naabot! Alabot! Ano ba yan? Grabe naman to.
Hold it together.
Alam mo, nakakainis. Feeling ko kailangan na natin silang patayin talaga. Gago!
Hey. Are you alright?
You're the lady from before.
Yeah. This is, you're, did anyone hurt you?
Because I can't see?
Oh, no, that's not what I meant.
It's not my
Naulit,
fault.
hindi po. Parang pangalawang.
The doctors gave us both medicine.
Ayan.
Made
Pangalawang,
our eyes go bad.
encounter.
So there was someone in there? There's another bed in this,
My friend, Marie. One day she just disappeared.
Disappeared, lumusot nga doon, no?
I'm sorry.
When it happened, I was happy it wasn't me. Is that bad?
I'm just gonna keep looking around.